In the last video we saw variance of a random variable, so let's rewrite that. So variance of a random variable, expected value of a random variable x is the sigma of x times probability of x, and we also saw the expected value of x squared is basically the sigma of x squared times the probability of x. Now we're going to look at the variance of a random variable. This is the definition of variance of a random variable. Variance of x, which is a random variable, is defined as the expected value of x minus the mean, the whole squared. So this is the expected value of variance, which is the expected value of the x, which is a random variable, minus mean, which is, you can also write this as, this is the expected value of x, which is a random variable, minus mu, which is again the expected value of x. This looks a bit more complicated, but that's what it means. So we're going to prove this. This can also be written, the proof, this is what I want to prove. This is same as the expected value, this is same as the expected value of x squared minus the mu squared, or this can also be written as the expected value of x squared minus mu is the expected value of x, the whole squared. So this and this are two different things. So let's start here. Okay, so the variance of x, which is a random variable, we have defined is the expected value of x minus mu, the whole squared. This is the definition. Well, that is equal to, using a bit of algebra, this is expected value of x squared minus 2 times x times mu plus mu, the whole squared. This is squaring the brackets, so now applying the expected value to each of them. So this is expected value of x squared minus 2 mu times the expected value of x plus the expected value of mu squared. Now mu squared is a constant, so you can't take the average of a constant, so the average of the constant is going to be the constant itself. Well, that is equal to the expected value of x squared minus 2 times mu. Now expected value of x is mu, so times mu plus mu squared. So this is going to be the expected value of x squared minus 2 mu squared plus mu squared. So this is equal to the expected value of x squared minus 2 mu squared plus mu squared is minus mu squared. So we can say the variance of x, which is a random variable, is the expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x, the whole squared. I'll take an example once I clear this working space. Now I've written this example. This is the random variable x, 2, 4, 5, 6, and this is the probability of the random variable. The probability of getting a 2 is 0.1, probability of getting a 4 is 0.3, and probability of getting a 5 is 0.4, and so on. And the total of the probability should always check should be 1. So this is one thing that you can always check. The sigma of the probability should be 1. So we want to find the mean and the standard deviation of this data. The question is, what is the mu and what is the standard deviation? So we know mu is basically the expected value of x, which is sigma x times probability of x, which is, let's do it out. So this is 2 times 0.1 plus 4 times 0.3 plus 5 times 0.4 plus 6 times 0.2. So I don't want to make mistakes, I want to use a calculator. So this is my Casio calculator. So let's delete it. So this is 2 times, let me bring it slightly down, or this slightly up. So 2 times 0.1 plus 4 times 0.3 plus 5 times 0.4 plus 6 times 0.2 is 4.6. So the expected value or the mean is 4.6. Okay, so now you want to find the standard deviation, which is the square root of variance, and we saw the square root of variance is sigma x squared minus the expected value of x the whole squared. So for this, well, we have to do the square of x, which is 2 squared times 0.1 plus 4 squared times 0.3 plus 5 squared times 0.4 plus 6 squared times 0.2. So this is the expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x, which is 4.6 the whole squared. So let's do the whole thing on a calculator. So let's remove this. Well, 2 squared times 0.1 plus 4 squared times 0.3 plus 5 squared times 0.4 plus 6 squared times 0.2 minus 4.6 squared. That is variance. So let's write the variance is 1.24. So the variance is 1.24, and this is the variance. So standard deviation is the square root of variance. Let me rewrite square root of variance, which is square root of 1.24, which is shift square root shift answer, that is 1.1136. so in 4 decimal places, 1.1136, 1.1136.